Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, and Solana in that order. Um, we're looking right now, we're looking at the 4-hour chart. And guys, from yesterday's video, nothing changed. You can see right here, we came down. This was the day before, I believe. Yeah, we hit this bottom line. And then I said, well, let's see if this 47, 450 area holds up, which it did. It held up right here, and we still haven't got above. We've done nothing. We traded sideways. And in yesterday's video, I talked about the uncertainty in Bitcoin right now, and we're seeing it. Now, there is something to be said here. We kind of are looking like we're developing an M pattern. Now, nothing's official until it breaks, but if you look here, it kind of looks like we got a little M pattern developing on the 4-hour chart. Now, if this does break down now, we could even bring it down right here. Even though the low was 47, 500, I just changed. Oh, we just had a daily candle close. So let's see what happens here. This is going to be interesting, guys. But if it does go underneath here, actually, no, we had it right. We're going to keep it. We had it right because that's the middle of it. Yeah, so if it does close under my 400, let's just say 400 or 47, 400 area, then we can get a target. Let's measure this real quick. Let me unlock this. Boom. Well, we can bring it up just a little bit. I mean, pretty much. I mean, it'll pretty much hit around our 46,700 area. So let's see if it comes down here and bounces. If it doesn't, then yeah, we could look for lower targets. Possibly, let's see where the 200-day moving average is. Oh, okay. So we could come down here and bounce off the 50-day moving average. All right. So that could be a possibility. Right around 46,650 area currently right now. If we do go up, you guys know what I want to see going up. We want to get a 4-hour candle closing above 48,300. I would like to see a daily more than anything, and then get a 4-hour candle closing. If we don't get the daily, I would like to see a 4-hour candle closing above this previous high, coming in at 48,825. But nothing's really changed from the video from the other day. You could see it really did nothing here. It was only a couple $100 move back and forth. I'll get rid of the M line here. And guys, sorry, but some of my charts I did the other night didn't save, which kind of irritates me a little bit. But we'll go into that. So to the downside, we want to see 46,752 hold up. We also want to see our first thing we want to see is 47,450 hold up, then 46,750 hold up. And then if that doesn't hold up, then we can look at 45,500 and 45,000 even. Okay. So to the upside, we want to see at least a 4-hour candle closing above 48,300, and then at least get another 4-hour candle closing above 48,825. So that's what we're looking for. And if we do get above there, my target would be 50,500 area. So we can actually mark that off. I believe this is some resistance right around. Oh, it's 51. It's 55,500 right here. Boom. All right. So that would be my target. And then my next targets would be 51, 357, and 5,300 or 53,000. I'm sorry. And that's what we're looking at for Bitcoin. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum, we broke out of our trend right here. We came up, we hit our first target at what I talked about it, guys. Look at this 3339, boom. Then we came down, we got our bounce off the 3271. Once we got the bounce off of there, we came up and hit my next target in my purple box right around 34,600 or 3461 area. And then we got rejected there. And now we kind of bounced off my purple box, a couple dollars off. Let's see, $10, $12 off. But we got to bounce around. So we want to see that hold. We want to see this bottom hold right here. Oh, what just happened? Right here. So we want to see 33.66 hold up. If that doesn't hold, then I'd be looking for the 32.71 and then the 32.16 area. Okay. And then my last line of defense would actually be 31.77. This one right here. Boom. Okay. To the upside, let's see. What do we got? Let's bring this down. So some of my charts didn't save, guys, so I do apologize about that. I drew some lines up the other day, and I don't understand. I save it, and it just doesn't save. So 35.69 would be a good spot for a target. Also, right here, right. Also, 36.48, and then I would be looking for higher targets. I don't know, guys. I'm so frustrated. None of this saved, so I have to. Let's see, 37.10, and then 38.38. Okay, that's the upside I'd be looking for Ethereum. It is looking good on the daily right now, so let's see if this can continue and make a new high, which the high was 34.70. Okay, so we were about $7 off there, but in that vicinity. So yeah, so 34.70, we can actually move that up there like that. So we want to see that high break. Oh, it didn't. It moved my whole thing. There we go. Move that line. All right. So that's what we want to see, and then maybe we can touch this 35.69. Now you see this line here, guys. There was a W right here, so we should hit around this target. Maybe this 34.69 or even 3600 even. Okay, based on this. So let's see if that happens. I got to move this over a little bit. Yeah, so maybe that can happen, but we'll delete that for now. So that's everything for Ethereum. For Matic, we came. Nothing saved, guys. I mean, we did it. Listen, we did hit our targets. We came up out of this $24. We got past our $30. Okay, and then we hit our first target at $1.35, and then rolled back over. So let's see if we can get it back above $1.35 and hit this. Let's see. I had these. God, man, it's so frustrating. I got to keep doing this. Let's look what we have here. So if we get above $1.35, yeah, this is a nice one right here. Looks like right around $1.44. And then what do we got? And then I would like to see $1.50 break. Okay. We're going to race. Yeah, I would like to see $1.50 break. All right. So 144 and then $1.50 if we can get past 135. Okay. So those are that's what I'm looking for on Matic. To the downside, I want to see this $1.24 hold up. And then if that doesn't hold, let's look at the daily. We could get a bounce off the 100-day moving average here, coming in right around $1.20. So we can move that, well, because it does move, but right now it's at $1.20. But it moved very slow. So and then $1.15. And I don't think we're going to go that low. I don't think we're going to see. It's kind of, everything's kind of just stagnant right now, especially when you're looking at Bitcoin. It's just trading sideways in this zone. If we go to the hour chart, I mean, you guys can see it. Look at this. It's all the way sideways. I talked about this area yesterday when we first got in it. This being an indecisive area. People don't know if they should buy or sell, and this is what you're seeing right here. Okay, on Bitcoin. So everything's kind of just, it goes up, it goes down. Ethereum, the reason Ethereum took off, first of all, we broke out of our pattern here, and now it's catching up to Bitcoin. Because you got to remember, guys, Bitcoin made this move in 3 minutes. Okay, this was a 3-minute candle right here. Even though we're on the hour chart, if I go to 3-minute, it was a 3-minute candle. So Bitcoin went up in 3 minutes, and it's been trading sideways. All right. So Ethereum just started catching up with it. They didn't go up in 3 minutes like Bitcoin did. All right. So that's the only difference. But we're going to go to Cardano. We just did Matic. Cardano did what we thought it was going to do. We had this trend line, but it got erased. So I'm not going to redraw it because we already broke it. So 214.5, we talked about getting past there. We got past there. Then we talked about 218. But we also talked about our first target being 227, which we hit perfect. Okay. And then we talked about our next target was around $2. If we broke 227, right around $2.31 or 31.50, and we ended up getting up to $2.32. So we were about 50 cents off that target, which isn't bad, guys. Listen, it's hard to get exact dollars. Most of the time I do it, but if we're 50 cents off, or if it's on Bitcoin, $10, $20 off, I mean, that's pretty good. The way it fluctuates, it's really hard to get to the dollar on Bitcoin. If you're off 50 cents on a chart, it's not bad. Like I always say, I like to take profits a little bit earlier than when we hit the target. So that's just what I like to do. And my trading account, guys, I do have a holding account, and then the money I make in the trading account, I just add to my holding account. Let's see. So Cardano, we covered that. To the upside, if we do break this $2.32, I'd be looking at the $2.39, $2.45, and then the 250 area would be a big one. Let's see. Actually $2.46 and then 250. Okay, so that's what we're looking at Cardano. But let's see if we can get past the 4-hour candle closing back above 227. Okay, that would be nice. All right. And yeah, we definitely want to see the 217, 218 area hold up. All right. Solana, guys, I mean, we broke first we had this trend, which I had drawn. Then we had this little the little triangle we had here. We broke the triangle. All right. Came up, hit our target here, came up, hit our target at $1.65 perfect, bounced off of our $1.56. I mean dollar. Oh my God. Why do I thought I was talking about Matic or Solana for a second. 165 and 156. Sorry about that, guys. And then we broke through the 165 again, finally, after we hit it back here. And then we came through my 170 target, and then we hit 175. Okay, and you can see the resistance back here, which I actually had on an old chart. And I also did 178 yesterday, but I don't know what happened to it. This is a different box. But this is still a legit area anyway, so I kept it up there for you guys, and these targets are still legit. So hey, we're still looking at this, okay, which is 183, 188, 197, and 205 to the upside. If we do break 175, okay, let's see, maybe 180. Let's look at the daily real quick. Just want to make sure. Where we're at. Where are we at? 180. Yeah, so actually $1.80 to $1.83. Okay, so in that purple box could be a rejection zone, and also in just this area is going to be hard to fight through. So let's see if first things first, we got to get a 4-hour candle closing above 170. If I said $1 again, guys, I am sorry. I'm super tired. It's Saturday, and I had my sister's kids over. It was a tough day for me today. I love them, great little kids, but I had to watch them all day, and they wore me out. But yeah, that's what we're looking at right now, guys. To the downside, I want to see 156 hold up. If that doesn't hold up, 152, 149, 143, and then 134 area. Okay, we'll get, well, 140 actually. Forget the 143. We'll go 140 and then 134. All right, so those are going to be our targets to the downside, and I named the targets to the upside. But right now, it's kind of just looks like we're going to trade sideways. I think we're not seeing much. Let's see. Let's check it. The hour. Is there an M on the hour? Kinda right here. This is kind of sloppy M though. It's not like a real defined. On the 4 hour, you can kind of see it a little bit better. So we could test this 46,700 area before we get a nice bounce. So let's see if that happens. So far, everything we talked about in yesterday's video is pretty much the same thing. Nothing's really changed. The only thing that happened is we hit our price targets on Cardano and Solana and Matic and Ethereum too. I mean, we were, I think, $9 off that one. So, but that's momentum, guys. Momentum can get you a little. It can get you past those targets by a couple dollars sometimes. So I know most of you guys are used to me hitting it to the dollar, and I usually do that in most of my videos, guys. But when I do that, that's really, really difficult to do all the time on a, like, I know I'm consistent with it, so you guys that have been watching my videos for a while are probably kind of spoiled with that. But what I do is I don't see other people doing what I do on when it comes to TA and calling things to the dollar like that. So, this has been one heck of a ride when things go up so fast like they did, which we did call those bottoms and where we could slow down at where we're at right now. But when things go up so fast like that, you could be a couple dollars off on your target. So I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. Saturday night. Have a great weekend. You guys, I'm going to put my link to Webull and Twitter in the description. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. Make sure you guys sub. Hit the bell. Hit the all. Show me love, guys, because I'm doing these videos for you. And I'm not getting paid for any of this. I'm just doing this because I feel like I want to help as many people as I can. This is my goal. And I feel like if I do, good things will happen to me. So hopefully, and hopefully good things will happen to you guys by watching my videos. So like I said, there's no panic here yet. I wouldn't worry about anything in the market yet until we break 46,700 area. Then we can start to worry a little bit. But there's still the 50-day moving average. So let's remember that. Actually, 46,640 area right now. So we're still there. That could still hold up as support. If we get a 4-hour candle closing under there, then we can start to panic, all right, on everything. So much love to you guys. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. It means a lot to me. Keeps me motivated. Keep it up. Keep the subs coming, guys. Show me the love, and I'll keep making these videos for you. Okay, so much love to you guys. Peace out.